What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about how to put a hyperlink in your saved replies. So saved replies are super awesome because it can increase the time that you can respond to frequently asked questions. You can give links to certain resources in your website. And of course, you can also do things like connect someone to a Zoom video meeting link if you want to jump on a quick video call with them to answer a couple more questions. Conversational marketing is in the now marketing. You're having a conversation with someone, and sometimes, just like text messages, you may want to take that conversation to the phone or to a video call to show your human side. So what I'm going to show you today is how to set up a Zoom meeting link for your personal meeting link in a saved reply and make it a hyperlink so that you can let your prospects click it to initiate. So this would also work if you're putting a hyperlink in for a blog, an article, an email address. You could do a lot of different things for this. But if you have questions about it, let me know. So when you jump into your Drift portal, you will see settings, which is the gear off to the left. You're then going to go to the Conversations tab. And after Conversations, you're going to go to Saved Replies. Now, in the Saved Replies, you can see that I've got my saved replies here. And this, again, can be an area where you put a whole bunch of questions. So if you want to create a new reply, you can do that just by clicking New Reply. And then, of course, you can also edit existing replies. So I have my Zoom link here. And what I'm going to do is click that. And you can see right now, I've got, let's jump on a quick Zoom meeting right now, right? And I've got the link to my personal meeting ID. Now, this works perfectly fine, except people can't click on this hyperlink unless it's actually copy and pasted. So what you can do is you can change the context of your message. And I have copied a new version of this. And so we can see what we've done here. So when I've pasted this in, there's a new syntax that you can use that will make this meeting link show up in HTML. And so what you got is the old version was just the link here, and the new version has these square brackets and then parentheses with that same link. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this here. And then what you can do is, of course, you want to make it so it's got a good sentence structure. So essentially how this is going to read is, let's jump on a quick Zoom video meeting right now by clicking here, right? The square brackets will be what the link text will be, and then the parentheses are going to be whatever the URL is that you have. So as you can see here, I've moved the hyperlink URL into these parentheses, and I've got by clicking here. So this reads very well in regards to a natural reply that I would type on a day-to-day. So once you're done, you can go ahead and you can press save. And just remember that context as you created a new page. It could be, again, driving people to another page on your website, a helpful article, a support form, or something like that. If you have any questions, go ahead and hit me up on Twitter at RemingtonBag. I'd love to hear how you're using this feature and whether you knew it was there. And if you'd like to see other tutorials we've done, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. And of course, if you'd like to subscribe to our daily videos, you can do so right here. Until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.